everybody, it's my host speaking here. Thanks you all for beginning this morning. Today, we are present about the LED Christmas light project by this section here. In this group, we have 3 group members, including me, Lai Man Heng. Today, we would like to present about the 3 parts of our content for LED project. Firstly, we will show and explain about the LED Christmas light project. Secondly, we will explain the block diagram, including the input, process, and output about our project. Thirdly, we will explain the use and the purpose of our research on this LED project. A microcontroller PIC is the helpful genre in the program, and using it do not require any special skill. It is the necessary to give the most basic PC, which is the program of complication, and the straightforward mean they are transfer the code from the PC to the chip in order to make the decision on controlling by the microcontroller. Across this method is pretty responsible. There are the many questions, not because it is the difficult, but because there are the many possible variations. About the window environment may contain a specific software that can be used to build out the program for this microcontroller. For this, we can use the end test of the program through. The key is to following the assembly language convention, write the instruction present as they are the defined, and arrange all the instructions in the way they are the microcontroller should be able to execute them. To put it in other way, all we need to do is carry out of our program in this idea. In the next part, the microcontroller do not complete the assembly language. For this reason, machine language application of the software is required. When we utilize a specialist program like the Produce 8 Professional, which is the application, including a complete legend, it is much as simple than you may make things. A new document when has the extension applied after just on the one click on this revolution English. They will solving that issue. The software is actually the same, but there has been a complete into to the language that the microcontroller can be easily to understand it. In a serious connection cable, and there are the specifics who call the programmer with the requested software and request the unable has code transfer to the microcontroller. There are the numbers options on the internet. There are research to programming electronic currents, which as this is make sure there is a function. As has the following: open here's code document, make a few settings, and there are select the item for this complication. To the signal correction cable and the programming hardware, a series of the 0 and the 1 must be allocated by the program into the microcontroller. The programming chips must be inserted into the target disks. Nothing easy has to be done by this. The precise step can be done as many times as necessary in the events that has a change in the program, and that has tried to change to the program, and there are the requests to done it.
Okay, now I will present how to making this simulation and how it works. To carry out this project, our group has used 2 applications, which is the Proteus 8 Professional and also Micro C Pro. And let's get started in Proteus 8. Generally, we use this application to build a circuit that related to our project, which is the LED Christmas light. First of all, we will insert a PIC 16F877A microcontroller, and next, insert a voltage supply, which connected with a switch, resistor, and the microcontroller at VPP. A crystal oscillator X1 and 2 capacitors with capacitance of 22 picofarads connected to OSC1 and OSC2 from the microcontroller. And now we will focus on the output. So port B will be our output and connected with the resistances of 330 ohm and LEDs on the port B from RB0 to RB7. After we have done the circuit, we will proceed to the Micro C Pro for writing the programming code. First, write trace B equals to 0 times 0, 0, which represent the port B will act as the output. Next, write while in bracket 1 means that the system will run repeatedly. And then set port B equals to 0 times FF and delay millisecond in 1000. And then repeat with port B equals to 0 times 0, 0 and delay 1 second to make the LED blinking. So we will use this coding to apply on the microcontroller. Okay, now let us see how this project works, and that's all for the demonstration. I'll pass it to the next presenter after this to present about the benefits and purpose for this project.
Good morning, sir. My name is Zeng. Today, I would like to present about my part. That is the function and benefits of using LED Christmas light. The function and benefits of using LED Christmas light that can provide for thousands of malls, hotels, and office complex strand above strands of light decorate interior and exterior holiday display. Next, the benefits to using LED Christmas light. Firstly, LED Christmas light use less energy than incandescent light. It may not seem that the energy used to power Christmas light would be a large expense. Besides, we can also reduce the cost. And secondly, LED Christmas light lasts much longer than incandescent light. If we use the LED Christmas light, that will help us to save the money. Furthermore, we use LED Christmas light for decoration design. It will be more environmentally friendly. This is because LED lights use less electricity. People can save more energy when they're decorating interior and landscaping. Lastly, it will be more safer when we use LED Christmas light. LED light also run cooler than incandescent light because they do not have a filament. This prevents fires and makes them safer to use. And next is the purpose of LED Christmas light project. The purpose of learning the Christmas light project is that room member can learn how to use Micro-C Pro, PIC software, and use various programming codes on PIC to simulate the project of making a LED Christmas light. We also learn how to use the Produce Design Sheet application to build and design circuit diagrams, and use the Micro-C application to complete the functionality in programming code. In addition, we also learn more about the components, equipment, and construction process of making LED Christmas light project. Finally, because of this Christmas light project, we have advanced many knowledge and skill in digital sensor programming. It also increased our passion for electronic engineering. Therefore, learning this Christmas light project has enabled us to gain a lot of practical experience and knowledge. So that's all is our presentation from Group 2 about the title is LED Christmas light project. Thank you.